free artificial intelligence trading indicators will give you 400% profit. We will use 2 free indicators that will boost your profits and you will not believe the result. Head over to indicators tab, our first indicator, and it is called Volume Supertrend AI, and this is from the Zairman. Click at your chart, and after you at the indicator, you will see in your chart this green cloud, the red dot, and the red and green arrows. So what are those means? It means that when you see a dot, it means a change of the trend. And when you see the arrow, it means a trend continuation. So if you get a down arrow, it means that the downtrend is continuous. So you can keep your position open. Vice versa. In the green, when you see the green dot, it means the trend is changing from bearish to bullish, and when you get the arrow in the upside, you will understand that the direction still up. So easy like that. This indicator can be used in a lot of time frames like the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, the 1 hour, and it is suitable for every type of market like Forex, like crypto, whatever you want. You can use this indicator, and this indicator based on the artificial intelligence, so it is very up to date. It is very new indicator. I highly suggest you test it out. What we will do now is we will head over to indicators tab for our second indicator. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with LuxAlgo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. And it is called the Pivot Point Supertrend. This is from the Lonesome W. Click at your chart, and after you at the indicator, let's hide the volume supertrend. You will see the buy and the sell signal, and it is very self-explanatory. When you see the buy, you will enter a long. When you see the sell, you will take a short position. Easy like that. But the question is how we can combine these indicators and how we can use it. Using these indicators are very simple. We will do it like always. When we get the sell signal, we will confirm with the volume indicator. Easy like that. Because as all of you guys know that we have always one signal indicator and a confirmation indicator. Sometimes one, sometimes two. But this time we will use one confirmation indicator. Let's see how it will work in the today's market condition. We are trading Nasdaq futures on the 15-minute time frame, and we got a buy signal from the Pivot Point Supertrend, and after a while we got a green dot from the volume supertrend. So what are those meanings? We will get this signal, right? This is the first rule. The second rule is we must get a confirmation to initiate our position, and we got that. So we will initiate our position with the bar close here, and we will put our stop loss the recent support line, and we hit the market now. Let's see how it will play out, if we're gonna make money or if we're gonna lose money. So there are a couple of things that you can take your profit. The first one is, like always, 2R. We will aim for the 2R, which is this, and we have already hit it there. And the second thing is this line from the volume supertrend you can use as a trailing stop. What it means, I will show you now. Let's see the market. When the price hits the line like this, you will get out of position. You can think this line as a trailing stop when you in the position. Easy like that. So this strategy is 100% free, and it is super easy to use, and I will show you the settings in the coming minutes, so make sure you stay here. Let's look at one more example here. The market is ticking. We are on a 15 time frame, and we got our sell signal here. Now what we are waiting for is the change of the market direction, the change of the market trend. So we are waiting for the red dot from the volume supertrend AI indicator, and we got this here. All we need to do is just initiate our short position with the bar close here, and which is here, and we will put our stop loss to the recent support line, and we can target 2R here, or we will ride our trade until the price hits the trailing stop from the volume Supertrend AI. Let's see. So market bounced and we are about, yes, we have hit our target. Congratulations, this strategy is fantastic. With that way you will make at least 400% profit if you just follow this strategy. But there is a one key point. What is that? It is take the trade only the New York AM session or the PM session, but I mostly prefer the AM session, which is you can start from the 7 a.m. to up until the lunchtime. It is very important that you keep your rules safe and you follow your rules strictly. If you're just starting out, please just trade the New York AM session starting from the 7 a.m. and you can keep trading until the lunchtime. Let's see if the price hit the trailing stop. When it will hit the trailing stop, yes, we can get stopped out here. If we calculate this as a hit, it didn't close the bar, but it's touched, so it's a one thing. But if you keep it, you see the profit, right? It is banking. You will make, how much is it? We could make like a 5-hour trade here. It is just another level, right? Now let's take a look at the settings of these indicators. Let's head over to volume Supertrend AI and let's go to inputs. Change the AI settings neighbors to 3 and the data to 10, and the price trend is 20, the prediction trend is 100. Enable the AI trend signals and copy everything as you see it here. After you done that, hit the OK button, and now let's go over to the pivot point Supertrend and copy everything you see in my screen. The point period is 2, the factor is 3, the period is 10. And if you done that, hit the OK button. Now you are good to go. You can take your trades, you can trade with the market, you can write the trends with the help of the artificial intelligence. The AI technology is booming. Now it is your turn to take your seat in this breathtaking field. All I want you to do is go to your indicators tab and add these indicators to your chart and make a backtest yourself and check what is the best time frame for you, in what type of market you get the best signals. You can test it out yourself. And now I show you in the Nasdaq futures on 15-minute time frame. You can pass your prop account challenge with this just 2 indicators, and they are all for free. And make sure you always manage your risk, because this is the key for the success, right? And that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.